So when your teacher or an instructor posts out a question inside of your Google Classroom, then you'll get it like this, as you can see. If I were to go around onto the classwork section, then you can see the question over here as well. So let me just go around and click on this particular question right here. And once I do that, you can see the question over here. So you can see that the question is 100 points right here, but usually for this type of question, you're not marked. But here, it says, what do you think that we should do in our field trip? And I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, let's go around and carry photography equipments right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say photography equipments and click on turn in, and that is it. That is how you can go around and then turn in your answer right here. And since the teacher actually went around and enabled the edit answer, you can go around and edit the answer once more, and then what you can do is you can go around and correct out whatever error that you have right here and say carry out notebooks as well right here, just like this, and click on turn in. So this is what you have. And since the teacher turned must see its others answer as well, that is classmates answers, you can also see the other classmates answer right here and reply to them right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and sort answer question as a student. And then if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, classwork, then this is what you have. You can go around and view your work over here as well. And then you can see let's say, for example, all turn in assignment right here, and then see how you have responded to it as well, just like this. So that is how you can sort answer question as a student inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.